Alphabet's Wing is partnering with Walgreens to test a drone delivery pilot program in Southwest Virginia this fall. According to Wing's website, each drone weighs around 5 kilograms and can carry packages weighing up to 1.5 kilograms. The drones are able to fly around 20 kilometers per round trip. According to a Medium blog post by Wing, the drone will be capable of delivering over-the-counter medicines and other health products from Walgreens within minutes of a customer placing an order. While delivering goods, the drone hovers around 7 meters above the ground and slowly lowers the package. Delivery goods are attached to a line. The package automatically disconnects from the line when goods touch the ground. The drone then flies away, allowing the customer to pick up their package.